pack for a trip. I'm going to Portugal for 4 nights and I'm actually going to a wedding, so we have a lot of things to pack. It's my first wedding. I'm so excited. Never been to Portugal and I literally leave in less than 2 days, and I've been procrastinating packing and I really need to get on top of it, start packing tonight. I'm obviously not going to finish because I have to do laundry tomorrow. It's late at night right now, but I just wanted to get started, so I'm starting this off right now, getting into packing, and I'll take you guys along how I pack and prep for this trip. I'm so excited. Like I said, it's my first time going to Portugal and it's my first wedding, so I'm going to show you guys everything that I'm going to bring, the wedding dress that I'm going to wear, the cocktail party dress, everything. And I'm packing it all in a carry-on just because I'm only going for 4 nights and I really don't want to overpack this time since I'm only going for one specific thing. So let's get to packing. So I actually already laid out all of my things here. I obviously have to grab more things, but all of my toiletries and all of that is here and I need to pack it all. Here I have my dresses. So obviously when you go to Europe, you leave and then you arrive the next day. So I'm gonna arrive and then I'm gonna have that day to sightsee. I'm gonna be sightseeing in Porto and then I'm gonna take a train, I think, and we're gonna go to like where the venue of the wedding is gonna be, and then it's gonna be the cocktail night, the wedding, and then I leave the next day. So since we are gonna be sightseeing for one day, I do need to pick out some outfits, maybe for the day and then one for dinner. Like I said, I don't want to overpack and I'm only bringing a carry-on, so I really need to be precise with everything that I'm bringing because I don't have space to be overpacking, because I always do. When I went to Spain in May and I did the packing video that did very well, I got a lot of hate comments saying that I overpacked, that I was only going for 2 weeks, and I packed like I was leaving for 2 months. Yes, because I'm a girl. Anyways, I need to pick out what I want to bring. This is why I've been procrastinating, because I don't know what to bring. I literally got my dresses last minute. You guys don't even understand. So I have this leather jacket that I bought in Spain when I went in May. It's in the vlog that I recorded. I don't know if you could tell with the lighting because it's nighttime and I have like all my lights on. I don't know if you could tell. But this is like a brown leather jacket and I'm going for like a brown theme since it's gonna be October and it's cold in Portugal, so it's fall and I'm trying to go on theme with the fall colors. So pretty much everything that I'm gonna wear is brown, so I think that this would be very nice to cover up. Honestly, I might need to bring this with me in the airport because I don't think this is gonna fit in my carry-on. I'm thinking maybe I could bring this cute little sweater. This could also match and be cute for sightseeing, so we're gonna throw that in there and then we'll decide. I also have this black one which could be really cute. I'm not sure, I only want to bring one, so I'm gonna put it there and we'll decide later. I have this turtleneck from Zara that I love so much for like the fall and winter. Maybe this with a jacket could be cute. Obviously I cannot be wearing like a short sleeve like this in the cold weather, but I think I might bring this. For the plain, I was in between these two. We have this Aritzia long sleeve green and then this Abercrombie like ribbed black one. I think I want to bring one of these on the plane and then I could use it one of the days that I'm there. I'm gonna leave them right here. Honestly, that's pretty much all I could think about for tops because everything else is summery. I recently got this brown top from Aritzia, but I think this would be ridiculous if I wear this in Portugal in the middle of October. I don't know if this is going to be very appropriate, so let me put that back actually. I don't know if I should bring like a plain black t-shirt. I don't know. I literally need to go shopping. I don't have clothes. I think that is all that I need for tops. For bottoms, I have no idea what I'm gonna bring. I'm thinking that these pants for the plain, and then maybe I could use them one of the days that I'm there. They're kind of like these brown beige kind of thing. So these for the plain are perfect. I also have these adorable brown like kind of yoga pants and they flare at the bottom. This would be adorable. I feel like this with this and the brown leather jacket could be a moment. I think I'm also gonna bring these. They're gonna keep me nice and warm. And then honestly, to have some black, I think I'm just gonna bring these Aritzia kind of like waffle ribbed material pants. These don't have pockets, which sucks because I love when my pants have pockets, but they don't. Maybe I could also bring linen pants. Is this like too summery? And then I think for jeans, I'm gonna do these. They're the ones that fit me the best right now. They're just these Zara jeans. I think that's all for pants. Now we need to decide which outfit goes with what because I'm not about to pack all of this. Actually, I forgot that I had this clothing rack, and I think I could also bring this sweater. This would be adorable. I love this sweater so much. Cardigan, sorry, from Abercrombie. I also have this one, which is like cream from Brandy, but I don't know which one would match better, so I'm just gonna throw that there. And then I have this jean jacket that I literally never wear. I've probably only worn this once. It's from Levi's. It's a very nice quality. I love the color. And this would actually also be really cute, but it's really heavy. So I have to decide. But now that we're already in this corner, I'm also gonna pick my purses because I have quite a few purses in here. I was thinking about bringing this black one, but I'm not sure. I do know for a fact that I'm gonna bring this one because this is the one that I'm gonna wear with my wedding dress. Actually, I'm obviously gonna take this part off and it's gonna be like a clutch, but this matches perfectly with my dress. I'll show you my dress in a second. Well, my dresses, but this one's definitely coming with me. I just have to decide in between this black one or this one. I have to decide which one do I want. Do I want to keep it nice and chic and classy with the black, or do I want a pop of color because I'm not really going to be wearing any color? So this is what I have to decide. First I have to decide which outfits I'm bringing for sure, and then I think based off of that I'll see which one matches more with the vibe. But I definitely don't want to bring both. I don't want to overpack, like I said. So you need to hold me accountable and I need to decide. Packing is all about making decisions. If not, that's when you start packing whatever you want and you don't even know what you're doing. Don't get scared, I'm not going to bring all of this, but now we have to make decisions, which is the worst part. First, I'm actually going to show you the dresses that I have, and while I'm at it, I'm going to give you a little story time. So basically, I was stressing a lot with which dress I wanted to buy for the wedding because I obviously don't really have dresses for like weddings since this is my first real wedding. So I didn't know where to buy the dress, I didn't know what style I wanted, I didn't know what color I wanted, anything like that. Obviously, I know that it's not supposed to be white or cream or anything close to what the bride is gonna wear, but the first dress that I bought is this one, and I actually bought this one and another one. So this was gonna be the wedding day dress. This dress is from Pepper Mayo. I don't know if the camera is gonna pick up the color, but it's like a dark chocolate brown, and then in the back it ties. It's kind of like an open back situation, and it's really long. This is gonna be the dress for the wedding day, and the yellow one was gonna be for the cocktail party the day before the wedding. It's the cocktail party and then the wedding, but the yellow one came in the mail and it was neon yellow. It was not butter yellow, which is what the website said, and it was hideous. It was super ugly. It was huge. I got it the same size as this one and it was huge, super ugly, so I had to return it. I had this dress, but then I didn't have one for the cocktail party, and the days were coming by really fast, time is flying, and I didn't know what to do. So I went to the mall and I just decided to buy a dress. I didn't matter if I loved it or if I didn't, I needed to buy a dress. So I went to Madewell and I bought this dress. Now, I personally don't think that you should go to a wedding in black. I feel like black is more of a funeral vibe. I wouldn't like if someone came to my wedding wearing black, but I really liked this polka dot dress. So I bought it. It was really expensive, but I bought it anyways because obviously I could return it. Then the same day, the same moment, I went to Nordstrom, which was also in the mall, and I found this one. This is also brown. It's pretty cute, but I don't love it. The polka dots are way too big for my liking. I prefer these little polka dots. It's basically kind of like a V type of thing, and then it has like this little thing, which I don't like. I don't like how it looks. I feel like I look like a fairy or something. I don't know. I feel like this doesn't really flatter me. But I was so desperate that I just bought it. So I kept both, and I think I'm gonna lean towards this one just so we can keep the brown vibe because I really don't like this for the wedding. I feel like I look like a nun and it's just not gonna be cute. So more of the story, this is gonna be the cocktail dress, which I don't even know if this is allowed for cocktail. In my opinion, cocktail should be like light colors, like brown, green, like lighter colors, like pastel colors. But everyone that's going to the wedding is wearing dark colors, which I don't know what's going on. So this is the dress that I'm gonna wear for the cocktail, and this is the wedding dress. Now, the question is, do I wanna bring this dress to sightsee or for dinner one of the nights? That's the question. That's why I kept it. I was like, I'm not gonna bring it to the wedding, but maybe I could wear it for dinner one night. I'm sorry for yapping, I just don't know what to do. Sometimes I hate making decisions and sometimes I love it. And right now I don't love it. I think that this is adorable and I really want to bring it. This is definitely coming with me. Now, I don't know if I should bring this sweater or the black one. This is a decision because I don't want to bring both. This is going to take up a lot of space. So this is a decision that I have to make. Why are weddings so stressful? I'm not even getting married and I have the craziest stress of my life. I don't know what to do. Let's check out the pants. So I was thinking about these for the plain, but it's either gonna be these or these for the plain. These have pockets, these don't. I need pockets, but this is too casual to use one of the days. This could be used to sightsee or to do whatever I need to do. I really hate that I'm not gonna have pockets, but I might have to leave these. Then I really love these pants. I just don't know what it could match with because I don't think it matches with this. Like this material doesn't match. I'm gonna take a quick little break from the clothing because I think it's better if I try everything on and actually see what matches. And I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow because it's getting late, but I want to show you guys everything that I bought for all of the travel size products that I bought. I went to Target the other day and I got a bunch of travel size products. So I want to do a quick little haul. First, I got a micellar water. This is what I'm going to be removing my makeup with, and I need to bring cotton rounds, which are in my bathroom. I got my moisturizer, obviously got some mini toothpaste, mouthwash. I have this little lotion. This is my favorite lotion right now. It leaves you so smooth. I got these Moroccan oil shampoo and conditioner. The hotel that I'm going to is a very nice hotel, so I'm obviously going to have shampoo and conditioner there, but I wanted to bring my own just in case. I got a toothbrush holder, and then I have my tongue scraper case in my bathroom. I got this Dove bar soap for my body wash because this is my favorite body wash, and I usually use the bottles, but they don't have it in the travel size, so I have to stick with a bar soap, which I don't love. But I got a cute little pink case for it, so I need to clean this. But I'm gonna put the bar soap in here and it's gonna be so cute. It's like a pink little case for my soap. Obviously got a loofah, a little mini loofah because I love scrubbing my body. And then I thought that this was 100 milliliters, but it's 150. So somehow I have to transfer this in another bottle that is 100 milliliters. I'm literally just gonna spray it until it fills up, which is gonna be so annoying. I have to find a bottle for that. And then I have to put my cleanser in here because they also don't have my cleanser in a travel size products. I use the La Roche-Posay face cleanser, so I'm gonna have to put it in this little bottle. I'm pretty sure that's all I got. I'm obviously gonna be bringing other things, but that's all that I got from Target. And I'm gonna try to fit all my toiletries in here. This is gonna be strictly makeup, so this is gonna be my makeup bag, which I'm gonna pack last because I still need to do my makeup tomorrow and stuff. In here, I'm just gonna put like extras, but this is like the main toiletry bag, which I'm actually gonna pack right now. You have to keep in mind that it has to close, like the magnet has to close, so it can't be too full because then it doesn't close. So that's what I didn't think about when I bought this, but it's so cute and practical that I'm just gonna hang it up in the bathroom in the hotel room, and it's very practical. And then I obviously have to pack my jewelry in my jewelry box. There's a lot to pack right now. I'm gonna take a break from the clothing and I'll continue that later, but right now I want to see if I can pack at least these toiletries in here. So it's currently 5:30 and I have a nail appointment right now. I'm going right now. I'm only gonna get a manicure because these nails look hideous and I really need to fix them. So I'm gonna go to my nail appointment right now. It's like 10 minutes away and I'm so excited because I haven't done my nails in so long, and it's gonna be my first time getting a gel manicure, which usually I only do like regular nail polish. But this time I'm switching it up for the wedding. So I'm gonna get my nails done. I'm gonna take you along and then show you how they turn out. just finished my nails. I ended up going with this little burgundy kind of wine color. I was in between this one and kind of like a light pink, like a bubble bath kind of pink, but I chose this one because I'm so pale right now. I haven't been able to tan because it's been raining like every single day in Miami. Like, I don't know, I think there's like a hurricane or something, but it's really annoying because I hate being pale and I really wanted to have like a little bit of color and a nice tan for the wedding. But unfortunately, I'm gonna look like a ghost. So I needed like a dark color to kind of make me look more tan, I guess. Kind of give that like illusion and that effect. So this is the final nail. I think they came out very nice. Anyways, got my nails done and now I'm gonna go back home, finish packing, and just like do a bunch of things. So yeah, I'm happy with my nails. Good morning, guys. It is the day of the flight and I literally have to leave to the airport in 1 hour. I just took a very nice and long everything shower because I'm gonna be flying for many hours, so I wanted to make sure that I'm squeaky clean before getting on a plane. Right now I'm doing my skincare routine and it feels so good. I pretty much have everything packed already. I have to obviously do like the little miscellaneous things, but pretty much have everything packed. My room is a disaster, so I want to clean it a little bit, just like tidy it up before I leave, so when I get back I don't walk into a disaster. But I'm just doing some simple hydrating skincare because we all know that flights and planes have so many germs and I really don't want to break out. I'm trying to avoid having a breakout. Personally, I don't do makeup for flights. I've never done makeup for a flight. Also, I'm obsessed with my nails. I'm very happy that I did gel. I feel like it's gonna last longer. However, I know that gel is not good for you, so this is kind of like a one-time thing. But anyways, skincare is done. So I'm all packed and ready for my trip. I'm so excited. I have my purse and my carry-on, and then I have my jean jacket that I'm gonna bring with me because it wasn't gonna fit. This is the airport fit, super comfortable. This top is from Abercrombie. It's just basic black long sleeve that I could use during my trip. And then these pants that are very comfortable are Aritzia. And then I'm just wearing my Sambas, which are the only sneaker that I'm bringing. I'm also bringing my jelly cat because I need him to sleep. I want to take him to Portugal so he could experience it with me. So yeah, I'm all ready to go. Stay tuned for the Portugal vlog because I'm obviously going to be vlogging everything. You're going to come with me. I'm so excited, and let's head to the airport.